Welcome back to part 2 of this mid-century armchair restoration. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, I strongly recommend to check it out before you watch this video. While I'm at it, I might as well ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in this kind of restoration or refurnish type of content. So without further ado, let's get to the restoration. I started with the seat part, cut out the right amount of fabric and started to mount these rivets to it. I have never done this before, so please be gentle at my tactics here. This felt like a pretty simple task, to be honest with you. Here's what it looks like. I need to spruce up these later. The fabric that I chose for this upholster is this blue velvet type of fabric. I think it will look pretty cool with the wooden legs. I noticed that I didn't film the layers I put on the seat part nor the backrest. Well, I wanted to make the chair a bit more comfortable, so I put a piece of sleeping pad, the old green foam that was in a good condition, and 2 layers of cotton sheet. I attached this white cotton fabric first with tape. How clever, huh? So next I cut the pieces for the backrest. I wanted to make it easier, so I'm making sort of a hood that covers the whole back part. In this sketch I'm trying to explain it. On the left are my patterns for the hood, and on the right is what I'm working on and how it should fit the chair. Hope this works. After sewing this back piece, I noticed that the fabric is lacking a little, so I had to make some adjustments. Remember when the chair had a cardboard / extra thin wooden cover back of the chair? Well, I'm replacing it with a piece of this sleeping pad. I had this sleeping pad laying around for years in our warehouse, so I might as well use it for something good. Very easy material to work with, by the way. Put the fabric back on for the backrest, and now I have to figure out how to tackle this seam. I decided to sew it by hand with some blind stitches. Luckily, this fabric was very forgiving. Upholstery done. This seam succeeded very well. I still have to clean up this bottom part. I have to get it cover fabric here as well. haven't found the perfect one just yet. Let's try how these fit together. Shouldn't be any problems here. These ferrules that hold the package together were extremely hard to put back together. I guess I didn't mind an extra pair of hands here. Luckily, I managed to figure it out on my own.